From raw ground to a finished, professionally paved surface, what you're watching is a complete driveway installation carried out by Harwick Paving Ltd. This is not just paving. This is preparation, precision, and craftsmanship from start to finish. Every project begins long before the first load of asphalt arrives. The first step is layout and preparation. Our crew carefully marks out the driveway area, ensuring correct dimensions, proper slope, and precise grading. Once the layout is set, our equipment is prepared for the job. You'll see our crew applying asphalt release agent to machinery, a small but essential detail that keeps operations clean, efficient, and consistent throughout the paving process. At Harwick Paving Ltd, every step is intentional, even the ones most people don't notice. Next, the material arrives. Fresh, hot asphalt is delivered to site and immediately handled with care. Using a skid steer, we scoop and control each load directly from the dump truck. This isn't random dumping. Every bucket is measured, positioned, and placed with purpose. The goal is consistency. Consistency in thickness. Consistency in temperature. Consistency in compaction. These are the details that separate temporary patchwork from long-lasting pavement. From there, we begin building the initial pad, the foundation layer of the entire driveway. This is where the surface begins to take shape. The pad must be level, stable, and correctly compacted before any additional paving passes are made. If the base is wrong, everything after it suffers. That's why this stage is handled with precision and experience. Once the base is established, the main paving process begins. Our paver lays down smooth, continuous strips of asphalt, maintaining a consistent flow and temperature throughout the application. This is where experience matters most, because asphalt cools quickly, and timing is everything. Behind the paver, our crew works in coordination to guide material, maintain edge quality, and ensure each pass connects seamlessly with the next. It's a coordinated process. Every movement matters. Every second counts. As you'll see in the footage, this is not a rushed operation. It's controlled, deliberate, and focused on quality from edge to edge. As the project progresses, you'll see each strip connect seamlessly with the next. This is the layering process, building the driveway in controlled sections to ensure uniformity across the entire surface. Each pass of the paver, each load of asphalt, and each compaction cycle contributes to a single goal: a smooth, long-lasting, professional-grade driveway. At Harwick Paving Ltd, we don't believe in shortcuts. We don't believe in good enough. We believe in doing the job properly from the ground up, because asphalt is only as good as the process behind it. Material is continuously worked into place to maintain an even spread across the surface. Crews use hand tools to pull, shape, and adjust the asphalt while it is still at optimal working temperature. Edges are carefully formed and refined to ensure clean lines and proper containment of the surface. Attention is kept on consistent thickness as the material is moved and leveled across each section. As the mix is placed, it is actively shaped to eliminate gaps, low spots, or uneven buildup. Every pass with the lute or shovel is used to refine the grade and maintain uniformity across the lane. Crew coordination is constant, with each stage of placement supported by immediate adjustment and correction where needed. This ensures the surface remains consistent before compaction begins. Material flow is managed in real time, allowing the team to respond to changes in temperature, density, and distribution as the work progresses across the driveway. The focus throughout is maintaining a smooth, even surface ready for rolling, with proper shaping and control carried through every section. Tools stay in constant motion as the surface is shaped section by section. Crews work in tight coordination, staying ahead of the material to keep everything moving smoothly down the driveway. Each pass builds on the last, with attention on timing between steps so the work stays continuous rather than broken or uneven. Nothing sits idle. Every movement has a role in keeping the job flowing. Adjustments happen on the fly as conditions shift across different parts of the site. The focus stays on maintaining control over the progression of the work as it advances from one stage to the next. Communication between crew members drives the pace, ensuring each section is ready before the next step begins. This keeps the process consistent even as the job changes position across the driveway. Equipment positioning is constantly updated to match the stage of work, allowing each part of the operation to stay efficient without interruption. As the project moves forward, the goal remains steady progress and controlled execution from start to finish. Compaction begins as soon as placement is complete, with heavy rolling used to bring the surface up to full density. Multiple passes are made to ensure consistent pressure across the entire driveway, helping to lock the structure together and refine the final shape. Attention is given to coverage across every section, including transitions and tighter areas where larger equipment cannot reach. In these zones, plate compactors are used to complete the finish, ensuring edges and detailed sections are properly sealed and fully integrated with the main surface. Once rolling and finishing are complete, the surface is left to set as a fully compacted asphalt driveway, ready for regular traffic and weather exposure. Every stage of the process leads to this point: a finished surface built through controlled placement, consistent compaction, and attention to detail at each step. This is the standard delivered by Harwick Paving Ltd, built for durability, performance, and a clean, professional finish from start to completion